Alrighty, y'all. So today we're gonna be fishing with all the stuff my girl bought me. This is the bait she picked out. So let's see if we can catch something. Don't let me down, you little pink rat. Oh yeah, everyone should grab one of these. The SSXDC. There you go. These shit's supposed to be an aggressive species. Get it by these pipes. Ah, the trees. Oh. Fuck, y'all saw that? Yeah, nigga, this rat's gonna be the goat. Snake on. Got ourselves a nodder. Come up here. On the rat. On the rat. Bay's gonna love this. Good snakehead on that. Yeah.
Yeah. You gonna go?
Yeah. Got a cichlid on the NOBN type shit. Stop spinning, cuz. Had to switch up, the snakehead stopped biting. The little cichlid. They might not be liking the rat though. I just scared one. Got him. Snake on. Did I lose him? I lost him. No. This stupid fucking bag. Oh my god, that shit's so fucking stupid. Alright, just got to the next spot. See if we can catch something here. Snake on. Oh, he came off. He came off. Man. Another snake. Another snake on the mouse. The mouse. Hey, bae. This mouse you got me is fucking fire. This nigga swallowed the hook. Come on. Oh. On the mouse.